Well, hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate what my overpaneling system can do. And as you can see, it's a mostly cloudy day, and I'd say it's about medium overcast. There's a little bit of sun poking through here and there, and it's still generating a good bit of power, and we'll see just what we're getting out of it here in the shed. All right. Now that over there is my 24-volt system, and that's shut down during the day, and I spend all the energy from the panels going into charging my lithium batteries for use overnight. And as you can see right now, I've got 22 amps going into that charger and 16 amps going into that charger. So I got about close to 40 amps of charging going into this system. Now this solar charger here is on its own string of panels, and it's not separated from them, whereas this charger here is on a float, which means that I've got it tied directly into my overpaneling system, because once the lithiums down here are fully charged, there's really only a need for one charger to be active. So I took this charger here and put it on float. That way I can take the energy from it and transfer it over to the 48-volt system if it need be. All right, now with that out of the way, we'll check again here, see what we got for power. 25 there, 16 there, 16 there, so that's about 40 amps altogether. And I'm going to shut down my overpaneling system and see what that comes out to. All right. Well, this one goes to 0 because that's on float, which means it's on the overpaneling system, and I've only got 12 amps here. So I dropped down from what was it, 40, 50 amps, I forget, down to 12 amps, and so that's the difference the overpaneling makes in the system, having that available. Now we'll turn it back on. And all that noise is the relays kicking in. And see, we're back up to 16 there. And 24 there. That's about 40 amps, yeah. Okay. So there you go. There you see my overpaneling switching system in action. And I've been wanting to show that for a while, and I hope you got something out of that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.